We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced music celebrity names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, this is said as Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato. In American English though, and since she is American, one could argue that it should be said rather that way. It is usually pronounced as Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, Demi Lovato. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting music celebrity names as promised, whose pronunciations aren't obvious and many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.